Congratulations, you've just completed the Excel 102 portion of this course. You've gone through loads of features inside of Excel at the intermediate level. You've gone through things like working with a list, managing that list, sorting it, filtering it, creating subtotals, both through the subtotal command and the subtotal function. We talked about list functions like dsum, daverage, dcount. You got into data validation that's going to help make that list even cleaner for your users. You've talked about creating pivot tables. One of my favorite features inside of Excel, pivot tables, just how quickly you can summarize large sets of data and get it down to its summary information that you need for reporting and making intelligent business decisions. You've talked about importing and exporting data. Talked about so many features during this section. Now remember, it's a video course. You can always go back in and re-watch sections of the course, right? Something didn't sink in all the way the first time. Go back in, revisit it, practice it. Make sure you downloaded the exercise files that I provided so you can follow along with me as you go through the course. Hopefully you did that already. If not, make sure you do that. So once again, congratulations for completing the intermediate stage of this course, Excel 102. Get ready. We're going to jump into the next stage and get into the 103 topics. Here we go.